Welcome to Splatter Learning, where STEAM comes to life. We bring fully equipped, hands-on STEAM experiences directly to your school, led by credentialed teachers who specialize in sparking creativity and critical thinking in students from TK through 5th grade. Whether it's programming robots, engineering design solutions, creating art with circuits, or building with recycled materials, our lessons are NGSS and ISTE-aligned and designed to ignite a love of learning. Schools can choose from single-day or multi-day programs with all materials, tech, and planning provided, so your teachers and admin team can relax and enjoy the excitement. With flexible scheduling, custom curriculum, instructional expertise, and a passion for real-world problem solving, Splatter Learning is the STEAM partner schools have been waiting for. Let's inspire the next generation of thinkers, tinkerers, and trailblazers. Together, Splatter Learning. Design, test, tweak, repeat. Ready to bring the joy of innovation to your campus? Email lisa@splatterlearning.com to get started.